Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to sync your Microsoft Edge account. So firstly, open Microsoft Edge. So guys, to sync your browser data, turn on sync. So click here, sync. Now turn on sync. Microsoft Edge can sync your history, favorites, passwords, and other browser data across all your sign-in devices. So just click on turn on sync. It will ask confirmation, so click on confirm. Now close and reopen your Microsoft Edge. So this way guys, you can sync your Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching and please comment if this video useful for you or not.